Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a load library failed with error 87 wrong parameter. If you find this video is helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this error usually happens when Windows can't properly load a graphics related library, most commonly due to a corrupt GPU driver, wrong graphics card settings, or OpenGL or DirectX conflicts. So I'm going to run through the fixes by most common to least common. Okay, so the most common fix is to upgrade your graphics card driver. So the best way to do this is to click on the search, type in device manager. Here it is here. Click on the device manager. Just going to move this over to my next screen. Alright, so once you've got device manager open, we need to go ahead and find display adapters. So just go ahead and click on the little box there, or little side loader thing, and then click onto your graphics card driver. So I've got a NVIDIA GeForce GTX on my laptop, so right click it, and now we're going to have two different options depending on your setup. So you can update here, right click, and you're going to have about 4 or 5 options. Click on update, or we click on the properties, click onto the driver tab and click onto update driver, then just go through the process of updating a driver. The next fix we can try is by getting into settings. So type settings. Here it is here now, and we need to go ahead and update your Windows. So click on the Windows update. If there's any updates, go ahead and update to the latest version. For me, I have done the update, but I just simply need to restart my computer. So that's the next fix.